that the USDJPY is going to 125. Now we can see that yes, it really got there, but it took like 4 months from 116 to 125. From there, we made another new video to tell you that from the level of 125, we're going to 129, which I really shared the signal into my WhatsApp group. Now, I said, from the way I was looking at the market, the way it's moving, we might get to 129 within a week. Yeah. It looks like I got a kind of goggle eye, which I used to see those things happening. So when I told you that, even from my own mind, I really want to doubt myself. Like, oh, come on, what do you mean? 1 week? 1 week? Is it going to get there in 1 week? Why not say like it can get there in 2 months or 4 months? Why 1 week? You see? But there's a secret to that analysis, man. There's something I saw which made me to say it will get there in 1 week. But look at what happened. The USDJPY touched 129 levels, hitting all the take profit of the signal I shared in the WhatsApp group. These are the things I used to talk about. Things like Forex. Okay, it will take you 15 years, 10 to 15 years to get to this point where you can just sit and look at your chart with no indicators or nothing, and you can analyze and tell people what exactly is happening. This is what is called experienced trader, man. Yeah. Learning makes perfection, because every one of us we started from scratch. We started from learning. Okay. Now let's go to this new analysis, because I'm going to clear a lot of lines on this chart. We are going to go to new analysis. Okay, we want to analyze from this level of 129 what is going to happen. Okay, let's delete all our lines. We delete all our lines, which we have before. We go to the 4-hour, delete all our lines, delete it. So sorry guys, this might take me a couple of minutes. Delete. Gotta delete all our lines. Weekly lines, and then the monthly lines. Okay, we have no line on the monthly. Yes, let's start with this one. Okay, from this monthly, you can see that all the highs have been broken, which the monthly has broken every highs around here, and the monthly now is running at 128 point something, right? I look at this zone as in the level of 135. Yes, I look at this 135 level right now, which I can say, yes, we should be moving towards the 135 level. Okay, let me tell you why. Why are we going to get to the 135 levels? Because levels have been broken. Levels have been broken. This is the line that, this is the line that broke all levels. This line that I'm shaking right here, this line broke all the eye that we got. Okay, now let's keep it here. Okay, now What are we looking at? The final high that I got here left is the level 135. This red line I'm shaking. Okay. Which I know we are going to get there. If you can look at the RSI, it's above 70 and it's very strong, pointing up direction. Okay, then we got to go to the weekly and see what we got. Yes, this is the only analysis we can do from the monthly and the weekly. Everything is same, like, well, the RSI is pointing up above 70. Okay, every eye is broken. There's nothing to, to talk about on the weekly anymore. Let's get the eye. This is the eye of the weekly that was broken. Let me see. Paint it like red. This is the weekly eye. The weekly eye got broken. This is the red line above here. Okay. Now, let us go to the daily. Let's see what is going on the daily. Okay. The daily, you see, the RSI is above 70. So from this daily, we got nothing to talk about because the only thing we're going to expect is a little bit of pullback. Okay. We are going to expect a little bit of pullback. Okay. Let's say this is our daily trend line. Okay. And then we are going to expect a little bit of pullback. Okay. And then when we get the pullback, what is going to happen? When we get the pullback, what is going to happen? Let's see. So when you get a pullback, what do you do with a pullback? You try to find another chance to, to get in. This is opportunity. In my last video, I said a lot of people don't know how to recognize opportunity when it comes. Okay, when opportunity comes, some people, they don't know how to see it. Okay, but one thing about this Forex thing is that you are able to look at your chart and see it, and you are able to identify it as a good opportunity and you take it. Okay, taking a trade without even knowing where it is going puts you in a kind of disadvantaged situation. Okay, the way I'm analyzing the market one by one from chart to chart for you is called top-down analysis, which shows you exactly where the market is going to go end. In the case of the USDJPY, 135. 135. If I show you something down about the 4-hour time frame, which is doing this kind of things, going up like this right now, let's make it like let's make it this type of color for the 4-hour channel line, because we want to bring something that looks like a channel on the 4-hour time frame. While on the 1 hour, we just got to go wait for a retracement. This is a channel. The 4-hour channel line is the brown line that I've drawn out there. Okay, and then what we're gonna go do on the 1 hour time frame, we can see the 4-hour RSI bouncing back to the 70 line, which means a retracement is coming on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is what we got after this new analysis. This is exactly what we got. Okay, so we can see the RSI of the 1 hour time frame is below the level of 70. Now below 70, which shows us that yes, a kind of retracement is coming. Okay, then what should we do in terms of a retracement is coming? It means we have to go and wait. This waiting is what I said in my last video, that if your Forex lacks waiting time, then failure is your best friend. I told people that you go check yourself. If greed and failure is not your best friend, then you must apply the law of waiting in your Forex. In terms of the USDJPY, right now, the way it is now, we have to wait. And what we are waiting for is one good perfect entry that we are going to be in, and it's going to take us to the level 135. And you're going to book your profit because, follow my analysis of the past. Everybody's been booking profit because I apply the wisdom of waiting, the strategy of waiting. So if you can wait for the big fish to come for you, that's when it is sure that you're going to catch the big fish, bro. You understand? So, every one of you out there that you have not joined my WhatsApp group, I mean, you're going to check under this video, please. If you see under the description of the video that we have some paragraphs of things we wrote in there, it's okay. But these are the menu that we have to put. So you have to just read and find and find what you are looking for exactly. How our video can help you to solve the problem you are looking for. This is why we have a long description. You understand? So never bother about that. You understand? So this is me done. And if you are that type of person that feel like, yes, you want to really know about Forex, and based on this type of analysis, your own problem is entry, then, I mean, when you read under the description of this video, not only this video, all my YouTube video that I've ever made, you see, I got some kind of a buy sell arrow. It's there for you, get it, keep an eye on your trade, and that's it. So I'm done with this. Your boy is signing out. One love, Forex Strategy Factory.